How does nitrogen fixation benefit plant nutrition for legumes? Imagine a plant that can make its own food without needing extra help from fertilizers. That's what legumes can do thanks to a special process called nitrogen fixation. This process is like a natural partnership that helps them get the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, peas, and soybeans, have tiny bacteria called rhizobia living in their roots. These bacteria are the key players in nitrogen fixation. They take nitrogen gas from the air, which makes up about 78% of our atmosphere, and turn it into a form that plants can use. This process is called biological nitrogen fixation. Because of this ability, legumes don't rely heavily on nitrogen from the soil or artificial fertilizers. Instead, they produce their own nitrogen. This helps them grow better, develop stronger roots, and produce more edible parts like beans and lentils. For people who follow vegetarian diets, these plant-based proteins are very important, and nitrogen fixation helps keep these foods nutritious and plentiful. Nitrogen is essential for making proteins, which are the building blocks for plant growth. When legumes fix nitrogen, they can create more proteins and other important compounds inside their tissues. This makes the plants healthier and more resistant to pests and diseases. It also improves the quality and quantity of the food they produce, which is great for anyone relying on plant proteins for nutrition. Another benefit is that when legumes fix nitrogen, they enrich the soil with this nutrient. This means other plants grown nearby or in future planting seasons can also benefit from the extra nitrogen. It reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, which can be costly and sometimes harmful to the environment. Growing legumes on farms or in gardens helps maintain soil fertility naturally. This is especially helpful in sustainable farming practices. For vegetarians, eating foods like beans, lentils, or soybeans not only provides high-quality protein but also supports eco-friendly farming methods. Thanks to nitrogen fixation, legumes are a smart choice for nourishing our bodies and caring for the planet.